Morning guys, today is a Monday. It's actually like 12:30 lunchtime. I'm about to make a sorry?
Too loud.
I'm too loud. I'm sorry. Should I talk a little bit quieter? Oh, okay. I'm gonna make a rainbow crepe cake and
with me.
yeah, with you. Basically, me and my friends, we have like a bake-off every week. And Panda can help too, can he?
Yeah.
We have a bake-off, and this week's bake-off is to make a crepe
Panda
cake.
can watch us.
Yeah. They're making a matcha one, but I don't have matcha powder, so I'm making a rainbow one because Aiden loves rainbow one, obviously. Coffee.
Mommy, that's why I like rainbow cake.
I know you do. That's why we're making one.
Yay!
That is today's plan of action. Make a rainbow cake. Do a bit of tidying. We're going to get rid of some of your toys, aren't we?
Yeah.
And where's it going to go?
In the bin.
It's not going to go in the bin.
What?
It's going to go to people who don't have a lot of toys.
But you're
It's
going
going to go to charity.
But you're going to go there today.
It's not open today, darling. Not a lot's open.
Cody, that's going to do it tomorrow.
It's not going to be open tomorrow. I'm just going to leave it to the side, and when it is open, I will go. Okay? We'll give it to people who don't have much toys.
But I want to do it by myself.
Okay, you pick up the toys you don't want anymore. Okay?
Okay. I
Yeah.
need to do it to people.
Yeah, I'll give it to people. And also, I need to clear up my makeup stuff. Mummy's makeup stuff needs clearing, don't I?
Yes, I'm going to outside to get any bags.
And you're going to sit outside on the balcony and see if there's any birds?
Yeah.
He acts like a granddad. Honestly, this guy is a man trapped in a child's body. Aren't you?
What? Makeup.
I know. Also, just before I start baking my cake, my posters came. These two posters are from Desenio.
And look at that.
Oh yeah, and I've got another bedside table as well, so Aiden's can put his toys there, because he kept asking me, why have you got a bedside table and I haven't? And you said you want flowers, don't you?
Yes.
And a lamp too.
But I don't want to.
Do you want your toys instead?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My toys being young, like a light.
You want a
And
light?
power.
And you want some flowers?
No, the cake.
Oh, you want to pretend? I got new cushions as well. They're coming up quite light on camera. Let me see if I can. There you go. It's kind of like a muted green, so it goes really nice with my posters. And then
Look at me,
on
guys. Look at me, guys. Last night I'm big.
oh yeah, you had a nosebleed last night, didn't you?
Yeah.
He had a nosebleed at 5 AM, but luckily he felt it, so he woke me up straight away and told me, or else it would have like just
Go
go everywhere. Yeah, you was quick, wasn't you?
I be able to volcano. Volcano.
Like a volcano.
Yeah.
Yeah. Luckily, Mummy helped you.
Yeah.
So I got this quick bedside table for now.
I told you.
Yeah, luckily. I've got a little candle here by, well, it's not little, it's like a normal sized one. Base by Diptyque. I have this Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, which helps. It actually works. And I have some Jo Malone linen scent spray. This was gifted to me, so I didn't even realise this was a thing. I have butter, unsalted butter, sugar, eggs, plain flour, vanilla essence, and eggs. Yeah, Mummy said eggs.
favourite.
Corn flour.
My favourite egg.
I know. And also colouring, which is your favourite, right?
Kawaii did this sugar other day, guys.
Sorry, what was you talking about?
I did this sugar other day.
Oh yeah, we made rainbow cupcakes the other day, and we used these already. They're really, really strong. A little goes a long way, so now I know. in the fridge. I have my colouring. I have my chopsticks ready. And normally I just use like a chopstick and I dip it in. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bowls ready to put my crepe mix in. And then put the colouring in. Yeah, you can help when it's ready, okay? And there's blue, purple, orange, yellow, red and green, and I think I'm going to do all 6 colours because I've got I should have enough for 6. And I'm just eating popcorn while I'm waiting because good, right? You're not eating sweeties. What sweeties have you got? Yesterday me and Aiden went to Morrison's and basically bought a little tub of sweeties. So cute. My absolute favourite sweets are the... Yeah, it's got different colours. My absolute faves are the... Let me try and put it down here. Yeah. So my absolute faves are the blue and pink bubblegum ones.
Mummy, look at me. My favourite, that one.
Which one?
That one. Also
the orange one.
That one and that one.
That's Mummy's favourite. All time favourite sweets, but these are not sour. Like, I love the sour bubblegum sweeties. Good.
This one's yummy.
Yummy. Also guys, look at my plant. It is huge. It's grown so much. It's my little baby. It's actually massive. I had to remove it from the corner of my room.
You need another one because the daddy wants the daddy won't fucking mummy one.
Yeah, I had to get another plant, so this one is a lot smaller. So this one is gonna hopefully grow nice and tall.
Mummy,
yes,
that
darling?
one daddy and that one mummy.
Oh, what's the baby one then?
Your baby one.
Actually, there is Aiden. There is a baby one.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Making my crepes. I have orange in the pan. I've already done red. They actually look really good. Look at that. It looks really good. Look at this, Aiden. It looks cool, right?
It's the pancake cake.
Yeah, pancake cake. And then we have the green, the blue, the purple, the yellow, and yeah, I'm on the orange right now. Still got like one more to go. This is like taking forever. It doesn't actually take that long making the mixture and putting the colours together, but making the actual crepes is taking forever.
The sprinkles.
We'll do the sprinkles after, okay? It's actually taking forever. I'm on my 20th layer now, but look, I've got 20 layers of crepe.
But I don't think you guys like a rainbow cake.
It is a rainbow cake.
No, it's be like pancakes.
It is a pancake, but then you put it on top, on top, on top. We need to put cream in the middle, and then we need to cut it like a ninja. You go, what?
But before you can put some sweeties on.
Yeah, you can put some sweeties and sprinkles on your one, okay? But Mummy's still got the purple to do. So far, I've done red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Oh, an hour later, I finally finished making 24 layers of crepe. Now I need to whip up the cream and start putting it together. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of myself. Online I've seen them put cream around the edges, but I quite like it how it's just like raw and rippled. So I'm just gonna leave the edges like that. I am so proud of myself. Did you girls put frosting around the edge?
No.
No.
I did. Let's see your work. I put cream.
Oh, that looks so good, Fan.
Oh my god, Van's on battery.
Oh my
it?
Yes, one way.
Wait, did you guys put the stuff around the outside as well? No, I did, around the edges.
I didn't.
I didn't have enough.
Small button.
Fine, I will do the
Mommy,
bit around the
that would be
edges.
like a birthday cake.
Yeah, it's like a birthday cake.
Hello,
isn't it?
Aiden.
Birthday cake.
It's your birthday cake. Oh,
Look at this.
Aiden, make some birthday
Look at that all.
Wait.
You want some of this? Oh my god. Mama. Mama. You want this on your cake?
Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy with how my cake turned out. It is freaking really pretty. I've already eaten quite a lot, but I'll put some videos of what it actually looked like. I know you saw me cut it, but I'll put a video of like close-ups and like b-rolls. But look, I've already nearly finished it. It is so bloody good. I'll put the recipe that I followed down below in the information box. I did add colour, so it's a little bit different, but it's the same crepe recipe. Oh my god, so proud.
Oh.